fullest of regards to the fellow members of the Alpha branch of the Utopia. And now, commencing video. Alright, it is time to activate the signals because today we're getting ready to react to some more of the Sodor Stooges. I've been recently informed by Dumb Shuck, the creator of the series. Meaning shout out to you, Dumb Shuck, if you're watching. This is the new episode we have right here called Rosie and the Thunderstorm, and you're about to see what Arctic pleasures the locomotors are up to. But before we get to that, guys, you know the routine. Please hit the like button, leave your comments down below, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell notification. Also do it for the railroad bells too. Make sure you subscribe to Dumb Shuck for more of his amazing local-tastic videos. Channel is provided in the usual areas. DCO, description, comments, and outro. Woohoo! Meaning, let's get it. Hi everyone. Before continuing, it is with great pleasure to let you guys know that I made a cameo. If you'd like to receive a personal video shout out from me, whether it's your birthday, your wedding day, or if you even like to receive a congratulatory shout out for your gaming achievement, sporting achievements, social media account milestones, and so much more to help you to also start your cameo journey, please refer to my link located in the video description. It's provided in the usual areas, DCO, description, comments, and outro. Woohoo! Meaning, let's get it. Oh. Dashi, gotta love him. That gives me every time. I don't know what the heck that was. Oh yeah, DK Pass vibes.
All sorts of trouble. Worse to come, winter arrived.
Here's Dudley.
Blanketed in snow. Rail and road was slippery. There'd be avalanches, and the engines had to be extra careful.
I don't want to do.
Oh god, there's the big one here, the big jolly good fellow, the big blue jolly good fellow, if you will, Gordon.
Deal with crashing into the station like it did last time. That sucks. What do you know?
I mean, hey.
Oh no!
Yep.
Not again!
Yep. Oh. That resemblance. Oh boy. How could I ever forget that part? For those who don't remember, if you remember when Thomas was in the snow episode where he was traveling through snow and how the front end of his of him got messed up when he was driving through the snow, and yeah, for those who remember that reference, yeah, that's exactly what it reminds me of. Ouch! Gosh! Just hearing that makes me want to play Happy Wheels again.
Talk about the tables turning on ya, huh?
My passengers went arse over tit.
Pure karma at its finest, eh?
Oh.
But the biggest worry, especially down Topham's Neck, was a major snowstorm that
Why
was
the long
coming
face,
towards
Gordon?
the island. The engines were having another discussion at Tidmouth Sheds. Yet again, none were too pleased either.
I tell you, chaps,
boy.
it's quite a pain. The worst case is if you're late.
I know, right? All the passengers will complain, but we can't hurry up either. They have to get over themselves. We're trying to maintain balance between safety and speed. It's difficult.
Yeah, we just can't control any accident. As careful as we can be, no one really knows when it'll happen.
Even if we did try to keep up to the timetable, we'd also risk crashing. This fucking ice is gonna make us slip if our wheels skidded.
Indeed.
I mean, you have steam endowed within you, so
approaching.
we'll be able to keep warm
Gordon,
at least.
if you popped into a few things uninvited.
Right, but what about the sandbox?
Then they come to us and whine on how, yeah, this is a bad railway. Gotta refund my ticket at once. Yeah, like they're whining will do anything.
Can't disagree. This pressure we have is worse.
Tell me about it.
No, guys, seriously. It's now.
Well,
my God.
running on time, despite the snowstorm,
stop.
it would be hard. We
Yeah.
might strain ourselves.
Also sucks is how we're blamed due to these circumstances. We can't bloody change the weather.
Yeah.
Speaking of the Express, whose turn is it now?
Yours, I think? Ah, damn it. Where's the Fat Controller when we need him?
Speaking of the Tubbly Devil, he's here.
Oh my God, Genty.
Oh, what the
Now
heck
then,
are you
hey,
staring
Good
at?
morning, engines.
Good morning, sir. Just let James take the express. I'm keen on taking a good strange right now.
Right now?
Right.
Sheesh, okay, so... That's good. There's a mixed train at the docks waiting for you. Take that train as soon as possible.
Yes, sir. Thank
Indeed.
you, sir.
Will do, sir.
Anytime? Well then, same jobs as usual. Just be careful, please.
I got it.
Can do, sir.
Right, let's get going. Catch you later.
Huh. Day pass. Day goes on continuously. And
Rosie, good to see you.
Good to see you, sir.
the gorgeous red
Genty about
wonder.
something for this week. You'll be taking
You cannot deny such red beauty of Rosie. Wouldn't you agree, guys?
some slow goods down to Ellsbridge Harbor and Longwell Harbors as they require new equipment.
Right away. I'll take them down.
Just don't make a shitty joke about it, thank you.
Excuse me. I've been meaning to ask. Will I be assigned duties outside of the yard?
I'm glad you brought it up, Genty. We're receiving new contracts, so we may have a few extra trains.
Hell yeah, pretty exciting. Say, Ginty, should we both double-head a train sometime?
Only and only if that's allowed by the yardmaster or your Sodor's fat ass. But I'd be
You're making my job tougher, Genty.
James, who had been quietly admiring his paint as always, and the passengers singing praises of good old splendid Reds taking the express. The guard's whistle blew, and just as James prepared to leave, the Fat Controller rushed to him.
This'll be fun. What's the matter now, sir?
I hate to shit on your parade, but you must be careful. No matter what your passengers
I mean, he
say,
does have a point.
Don't make the coaches do karaoke. For your own safety, including theirs. Quite urgent.
Wow.
Yeah. You got it, sir. No worries. I'll do my best despite these snowy hazards. Splendid red can't be dead.
I hope you're right about that. Now off you go.
Yes, sir.
Oh, jeez.
Catch you on the flip.
I haven't even had my Pepsi Zero yet. And here they are just burping. Unexpectedly. Well, go with caution if you must.
Rosie, good afternoon. I haven't seen you for some time.
Feelings mutual, lady. Well, maybe.
I take it that it is the snowstorm approaching?
Yeah, it's a nasty blizzard. Heading this way too.
I may sound like your mother, but please don't strain yourself too hard, Rosie.
Indeed.
Yeah, of course. But I shouldn't forget being aware. That fucked me up.
Damn you, Rosie. Before you leave, I hope you do not mind me asking. Have you been assigned to the harbour rounds?
Oh yes, that's the most exciting part. I'll see you again, if I don't throw myself into a snowball of trouble, eh?
I hope you
Just
will.
proceed with caution,
Goodbye, my
Red
friend.
Wonder. Such warm, kind-hearted locomotives. And so, Rosie marches forth.
What happened when you last pulled the express then?
Well, it's quite a dumb accident. I was pulling the express. Duck and Oliver wouldn't be moving for a good hour. They got stuck. And, I couldn't stop. And next thing I know... BAM! Straight through
Yup.
the station wall.
Such resemblance. Yup, I remember that too.
No one else joked about you popping into buildings like that ever since?
Oh, yes. Thomas did that. So was Duck. A few years ago, me too. All of these accidents were out of our control. Funnily enough, the station master prevented the meeting just popping in like that.
Why do I
Which
laugh
was
every time I see
admittedly
Gordon's
very funny.
face?
It's one way to make light of such a mess, eh?
I mean, hey.
Absolutely.
Okay, let me just stop.
Yep, you got it. See
I'm
you later,
sorry, I
Gordon.
just...
And see you on the flip side then. Oh, and Rosie, just don't pop into the snow like Thomas did.
Oh,
Trust me,
yeah.
You're going to feel very silly.
Wow.
Bye bye.
Yeah, right. I think that's gonna happen.
It might. Suit yourself. I'm heading back to sort out more trains. What about you?
Same. If it was so goods, I'd never doubt James being careful now.
Driver, fireman,
What?
I think we should slow down. Something's not right. Because
Yeah.
it's an avalanche coming our way.
Yup. Or is it?
The passengers were confused as to why the train stopped until they finally saw why.
That was very close.
More like a
I
blockade
think
or
we
dead
can
end.
make it.
Or
How
temporary
so?
dead end.
We're almost there.
Well, Donald and Douglas are on their way.
How do you even know that?
Because my husband is Donald's driver.
Oh, well, that is interesting. Where is
Very
he anyway?
interesting
They're coming
indeed.
soon. Like, almost here. So there should be.
Give it time, good man. Of a locomotive, yeah. Oh! Assistance is finally here.
That's not so bad. We'll tackle this one down in no time, hey, Dougie? No worries, that, Donny. It'll be less than 20 minutes chops.
I hope you two make haste.
Aye, now a thing to worry about. We must keep the trains running.
Fortunately, they were right. The snowdrift was fairly easy to clear, though that caused James to run a little late, which was justified.
Thank you, Donald.
How
Douglas.
convenient.
Anytime, James. Anytime, James. Make sure this big
Anytime,
laces don't fall
James.
off, eh?
Yeah. If you don't dent another signal box, or smash up another brake fan.
Oh my god.
Oh boy.
Fair enough. You win. I confess.
That's what I thought. Well, I'll see you later.
Later, James.
Later, James. In the video, I mean, considering that you'll still be there. Such an amazing scene. Seeing trains from different angles. Maybe that's why I love them so much, along with the signals and everything. I've been loving this ever since I was a kid. Trains and signals, I mean, railroads in general. Now then. It would seem as though James has arrived at his itinerary.
Good thing we were careful. Could have taken way more time if they weren't here. It's such a huge relief.
Looks
What
like
is
we
this
have to
lengthy
use
fellow?
proper safety precautions. The storm's coming in tomorrow. Wait a minute. That's also when Rosie's put on the harbor runs. This might be a disaster.
Oh
The
no.
next morning, everywhere was cold and colder. The blizzard made its way, wind picking up speed, and the snowfall was even worse. Everyone had to equip snowplows and lights, much to Thomas's chagrin.
Ooh.
Oh, for Godred's sake, this again? Fucking hell. Okay, just get the snowplow and let's get this snow done and over with.
Quite the upgrade Thomas got there.
It's so cold. The sole reason this is acceptable is due to our passengers knowing they'll be late. So that's one problem gone.
If you don't wish like you did this, that trick worked for you, but not to our passengers.
Yeah, of course, but never mind that. Come on, this day might just get worse.
Try not to undergo the fiasco like you did in that reference, Sir Thomas.
In fact, things were bound to be that way right as Rosie waded in Knapford Harbour.
Oh,
the crew
dear.
were preparing her train as well, checking all the joints and wheels were running smoothly. Soon the guard's whistle blew.
Very neighborly indeed.
Good to go.
Rightio, let's make this a good one.
Safe travels, Rosie.
I know we've got to look out for the storm, but it's a little weak now. We'll be fine.
Always remember to check the weather
Just
forecast before
don't
you
strain
advance.
yourself. Who knows what this cold can do to anyone?
Don't worry about it. I'm sure we can handle it.
Be careful now. She made it at last.
This is a little heavy.
Oh?
Are you sure you can handle this?
Of course, shouldn't do that much.
I hope you're right. Now then,
Don't hesitate on a slow start. Better safe than sorry. Keep an eye
Indeed.
out, will you?
No worries on that, and off we...
Oh, goodness.
Hey, careful. Don't push yourself too hard.
Don't worry, we're moving. A little engine can do big things.
oh, I've heard
I
that
wouldn't count on that too much, Rosie.
Not wrong though, am I?
For now, yes. But you might get in trouble, especially with all that straining from the start.
Yeah, you might want to take their words into consideration, Rosie. Otherwise...
Oh, never mind that. I think we'll be...
Uh-oh.
You have got to be kidding me!
Oh, that's done it now. Your cylinder's shattered. Please don't panic, Rosie. We'll go and call for help. That's the best bet we got.
Wait, move it to the siding before you do anything else. Trains can be passing by no matter what time it is.
Oh. Whew. Thank
First,
goodness
they
it stopped on
inspected her
time.
cylinder. It was completely shattered, so they ran to the nearest station for assistance, which was to no avail. The power was out due to the storm. They had to hide from the storm in her brake van. She was trapped and alone.
Oh.
Ah, engines. Wait. Where's Rosie?
I don't know. She
She
just
seems to be
disappeared.
stranded.
You got any whereabouts on her, Ginty?
Well, she only left the harbor last night. I don't know anything else about her whereabouts.
Then what do you even do about it? Start a search party within this horrible weather, huh?
Well,
If
we
the
have
weather
no
is
choice,
calm
so
enough to
let's
pan
just
it
do
out.
But tonight, we're all going to be busy as of now.
I know. And how did she even get lost? Maybe? I
She
don't know.
took it too rough on the carriage and everything.
Ah, fuck. I got no idea. Never mind.
Right, lads. I'll get going. Catch you later.
Be careful,
See
Dudley.
ya.
Everyone but Henry left. He had stayed up late due
And
to
Gordon,
an
too.
impromptu Kipper train. Unfortunately, it was only 10 minutes until the commuter train was going to leave, and he was assigned
Oh.
to it.
Oh, fuck! We gotta go! They're waiting for us.
That reaction right there. The way he just perked up.
Where's Henry? I don't see him anywhere.
Ooh.
I am so sorry for the wait, everyone. I've overslept, but so did my crew. Now get in quickly, please. I don't want to slow you guys down.
Right, everyone, as he said, please get in quickly. You heard him. Hurry up and get on board.
Please make haste.
Barely in time, barely in time.
I know, right? Both the fireman and I had nothing to eat or drink, so we must make it quick. Henry was traveling through the snowstorm. He looked everywhere. He found 2 engines in the ditch and a brake van which was freezing.
Oh dear.
Unfortunately, he couldn't help.
Good God, they've fallen in.
Be careful, Henry.
Eventually, they made it to Wellsworth.
Rosie by any chance? Have you?
Obviously not. I've never slept. This is maddening.
Oh, sure. This really gives me a sore tender for such chaos. You know what I mean?
Yes. And I don't think anyone minds us being late or you're sore tender, Jaden. They only care about if we can actually make it or not. I must admit, I can only commend their bravery and, you know, patience for being able to keep up with this.
Yeah.
And ourselves. Yeah. It's definitely a lot to think about, really.
Indeed. Yes.
I know, right?
Pretty brave if I say so.
But
Indeed.
where's your crew?
Well, they ran to the
They're
cafeteria.
on a search party.
Running on empty stomachs. As for me, no coal and water until now.
How dumb.
Their chat got cut short as Henry's crew went back to his cab and he had to leave. On their way to Kelsthorpe, they discussed it again.
One station to the next. Wait!
You've seen that brake van? It's a bit familiar. I'll just leave that.
It is familiar. But yet he...
Gosh, Henry. You look like you've overslept.
Because I did.
Indeed.
What about Rosie? You think you got any idea where she went last night?
Sorry, I can't stay to chat. But our trains must head off.
Oh well. Fair enough. Well, I'll see you later, James.
Bye.
Later.
Much later, indeed. This might sound odd, but do trains clear their throats? Well, of course they do. If they can feel sick like we do, then it's possible.
What do you know?
Wait.
God, my eyes are fucking straining. Oh, god damn it.
Yikes. But this is the last train which is designated to Knapford, so we shouldn't have to worry much about anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's just finish this. And call it a night.
Agreed. Before the blizzard kicks over.
As Henry soon returned to the sheds, next thing he knew, as everyone else did, Rosie was nowhere to be found. James instantly quipped at that moment.
She
Darn.
must have been pushed into the turntable well. Kinda like how it happened to Oliver, eh?
What are you talking about?
Never mind. Sorry.
Right,
Yeah.
that's enough. Rosie isn't here, so we're starting up a search party. Everyone, please look for her now.
Without hesitation. Come on, lads, we've got to find her.
Will do. Without hesitation, yes. From Mr. Predicto, yeah. And so they search.
Have you guys seen Rosie anywhere, like, as of recently?
I'm sorry, you two, but Rosie ain't here either.
Of course not, Richard. Why would she get lost in the quarry? She can't even fit in those blasted tunnels.
Fair enough.
Blast! But thanks anyway. Ricks.
Fuck's sake, not in this either. Fuck!
Oh my god, Dudley. Hey, what the?
Hey, there's fresh fish. Is anyone to get some? Forget it.
The engines looked for her everywhere, but they were rushing it. Their searching was absolute bullshit.
Oi, Dougie. Can't find her either, can you? Nay, we searched everywhere. We looked twice. Can I find a thing? Jamming blast, motherfucker.
Still couldn't.
There's
Yes,
Henry.
of course. Same company who
Donald.
contacted her told her to take her time.
Until next week.
Why so long? What if she gets
Until the next week.
harmed or injured?
Fair enough. I'll look for her, as everyone else is.
Good luck. Good luck.
Good luck. And so he ventures off to search for Rosie again.
Hey, Henry!
Yo, good to see you, lady. You know where Rosie's at, or,
Kinda.
I did see a brake van, and a huge pile of snow. So there's that. And while we're still looking for her, you might as well just couple up to my train.
Here we are at this station now. The weather seems to be clearing up there in a little bit, even though the blizzard is still taking its course. There's the engine. Aha! What the?
Oh, there ain't no way. Oh, come on, lady. Alright, let's just drag her out of the snow and whatnot.
On it.
It took them quite a lot of time to clear up the snow, and there she is, with her whole train and crew in tow.
First of all, how did all of you even survive that? Second, how couldn't anyone notice you either? That's very dumb. You're literally right here, even with the brake van sticking out.
Avalanche froze quite a bit. My crew ended up resting in the brake van for 2 days. The cylinder also shattered, plus my excessive strain. Yikes.
I
Indeed.
figured that was the case. I warned you about exerting yourself too hard.
Yeah.
Which is, to be fair, I got too tense and overconfident on this job. And well, what do you know? This happens.
Smart
At least
move,
you're safe.
Rosie. Smart move.
Wow.
Now then, we ought to get this train moving. And you to the works. Can't be here all day, eh?
It'd take us a while before reaching Croven's gates.
He was right. With the snow still battering about, Henry had to take the brunt, as he still hadn't slept a wink or refueled for later journeys.
Kind of made me jump a little bit there, but yeah. You get that from most trains. But hey, all's well that ends well with Rosie too.
I've seen 2, if not more, engines on other crash sites.
Oh yeah, didn't you have snow on your wheels as well?
Yeah, I'm surprised my crew and I managed to pull through this hard weather. And it'll be a while before you'll be back in action, Rosie.
Indeed. Best to travel cautiously, because not only does it happen to cars and trucks, etc., it can also happen to trains as well. But thank goodness Rosie's back.
Alright. You lots better have that harbor run done. If not, I'll kick you.
Dang.
Sure. Though, this train's gotta keep running, huh? So I'll see you soon, eh?
You bet.
I'm pleased to say that Rosie's repairs were quicker than expected, and the harbour contract was fulfilled. She returned to work almost immediately. All in all, a good end to a stressful, salty, cranky, and lady. Oh my fucking god! Why?
Oh gosh. Well, there's the episode, but there's a small clip at the end. Let's see what this is.
See ya. Oh, what the fuck? It's still recording, you fucking bitch.
Oh my god. Yup, I knew it. Just by that very end, the sound right there is just... Oh my god. Shouts out to the crew of this amazing and staggering episode of the Sodor Stooges. Rosie was in a bit of a snowy Arctic predicament in the snowstorm, but thankfully Henry and Lady came to her aid, and yeah, this goes to show you that not only can this happen to, it can happen to all vehicles, but not just certain ones, no matter what they are. And yeah, that right there was my reaction to the amazing episode, a very well done episode of the Sodor Stooges. Well done to Dumb Shuck and his crew for such an amazing episode. Guys, that right there was my reaction. Hope you guys enjoyed it very much. Thank you all very much for watching today's reactions that I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this one, however, please hit the like button, leave your comments down below, and please take a moment to subscribe with the notifications activated, and make sure you do the same to Dumb Shuck for more of his amazing local-tastic videos. His channel is provided in the description, comments, and outro. And guys, I'm out of here, and of course, even though we're not in the winter season yet, but still take care of yourselves because it is hot as I don't know what. And yeah, this is me, Silverreploid CLE, signing off for now. Stay fresh in the flesh and off the hook. I love you guys. And as soon as I saw the reference, I was thinking to my head, well, actually, just take care of yourselves. And of course, yep. But really though, when I saw the reference, I was like, and of course along the Easter egg along the way, I was just like thinking in my head, ooh. If you love music, and if you would like to partake in supporting my channel by purchasing music, please refer to my song list down below. Hey guys, Survey CLD here. I want to thank all of you for watching this video. Please smash on the like button, subscribe for more content if you're new, and please turn on the push notifications. And also, please make sure you check out my other videos or any video on display and show tons of love and support for not only me, but to those who are also involved. Have a great one, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!